Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking the essentials. Set a balanced stance with about 70% weight on the lead foot and soft knees so you can spring. Keep your guard high and eyes on the opponent's chest to read movement. Once positioned, do a brief 30 to 60-second dynamic warm-up, light shuffles, ankle circles, and hip turns to prime mobility. These are the first actionable steps. Do them quickly, so you can immediately move into rhythm and train the neural pattern for fast, controlled steps. You now build dynamic footwork. Execute a push step by driving off your rear leg and landing softly on the balls of your feet so each movement is explosive yet silent. Once mobile, pivot on your lead foot 30 to 45 degrees to open angles and force resets. This creates attack windows. Integrate quick 1-2 feints to probe range. These feed reactions without overcommitting. As you chain steps and pivots, make sure to reset your guard immediately. Speed without defense is wasted energy and risk. You close sequences by finishing with compact combinations and exiting on the same push-step motion to preserve balance. Once back, take 2 or 3 deep breaths, reset stance, and use small lateral steps to maintain distance and readiness. If you notice timing issues or getting clipped, shorten your stride and rely on tight pivots rather than long lunges. This fixes predictability and improves recovery. Keep practicing these cycles slowly at first, then raise speed. That progression is how quick movement becomes reliable under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.